AWS has been transformative for us. We run most of our services on the cloud as it is. All of our data lives in the cloud. So we leverage AWS services every day to run our workflows. I think that generative AI is very important for us. After one of the AWS workshops, we came away with a number of potential use cases driven by the business for generative AI. One of these business cases was in our regulatory and compliance space. We decided to go with this use case and we got the AWS prototyping team in to work with us. And then over the course of a 4-week period, we completed a prototype that utilized some of the latest AWS offerings, such as Bedrock. We produced a generative AI solution. I think that as a tech team, we're quite mature and we're quite innovative. But when AWS came in and the prototyping team, they gave us almost another dimension to our tech mindset.